gals, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing kind of a style lookbook type video on a very popular fall and winter trend, which is over-the-knee boots or thigh-high boots. I personally can't get enough of them. I have like 10 plus pairs of them. They kind of seem like a daunting piece in a wardrobe just because they are such a heavy, I don't know, they're just so there, I guess. But it's really not too hard to style, and I have a couple different outfits for you guys today to show you of how I style them with all my clothes in my closet and my very pink style. I also include a few tips on maybe like what to look out for, what to stay away from when styling thigh-high boots. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So in this first outfit, I am styling thigh-high boots with shorts, and I feel like everyone would just think fall is rolling around, so they put all their shorts away. But one really nice thing about thigh-high boots is it allows you to wear shorts because they kind of act as pants. So you have your leg fully covered, but you also still get to use those super duper cute shorts that you just bought this summer. Thigh-high boots look amazing with any play suit or romper, especially if they have longer sleeves or a little bit more length in the sleeves. This one here I personally love to put with thigh-high boots because it has the flare sleeves and it also has a high neck, so it adds enough weight to kind of counterbalance all the thigh-high boots at the bottom. And this one also has the cutest back to it. Here's another slightly odd one, but I love putting thigh-high boots with joggers because it is super duper warm. It's like wearing 2 layers of pants if you know it's going to be super cold out, and then you also feel super comfy and you can wear any cropped sweater or really any top you like on top and you are super warm and fashionable. I probably didn't have to tell you that denim pants go really well with thigh-high boots as well, but I thought I would just make a few outfits with them because they do go very well with denim jeans. These are a pair of white jeans that I have here, and I added lots of little details with the belt and my quilted jacket, as well as my Chanel purse. And then in the next look, I have these super duper luxury looking thigh-high boots. They're all satin. So I added all black just to kind of tone it down, and then a fur coat. And this one I think is the most chic of all. It is shift and sweater dresses with thigh-high boots. This is the ultimate glamour girl look, and it is so effortless looking. I just love pairing longer dresses with my thigh-high boots, just enough where you can kind of see a little slit of skin where the dress ends and the boots begin. And I just love the little bow detail on the back of this one. And then on this next one, I added a nice long jacket. That way you can add a little bit extra warmth since you are going to be wearing a dress. Be sure to wear a little bit more on top when styling thigh-high boots. You don't want to get cold. And also be aware that some dresses don't quite vibe with the thigh-high boots that you want to wear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to style thigh-high boots. Definitely let me know if you guys have any other tips and tricks or things that you do or don't like about styling thigh-high boots, because I would love to know. Also, I will leave links down in the description with lots of the pieces from the outfits, as many as I can find, because you know, this is just everything in my closet combined. Also, if you haven't already, I would super appreciate it if you hit subscribe down below to my channel and checked out my other videos. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.